Arwakini mechigni ya kwa Ramogi ndik na nambari adeka uchiel nonono Facebook Ramogi TV Kenya, mbui mari YouTube Ramogi TV Kenya, XN @Ramogi TV KE. Yaloko mari lungoni Elizabeth Otieno, nyinga en George Bati mechigni. Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen uliekoni manen Attorney General mapachoka Justin Muturi. Uwinjore omaki kuom pando moko kuom obok moyiedhi mani kod malingling mag sirikal. Murkomen moloso Mombasa be kamachielo siro kang mar ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja mayandno kao mar yuoro e limbe jatend piny Kenya William Ruto e gwenge mag alwora mar God Kenya e juma mokalo. Jafwambo marwa ma Mombasa George Aoko chakonwa weche manyien mag uimore klipodni.
Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen koro wacho ni mane en Attorney General kendo jatend migao mar jotich mag piny owacho Justin Muturi onego maki kuom rocho ratiro mag tich kanena apisa maduong' e piny owacho.
The Attorney General of the Republic handles very classified documents, all of them almost stamped top secret. And the objective there is that these documents are government documents. It is not your personal documents. You swore to confidentiality. And you could not have been having government documents for 2 years because you are dealing with corruption. That's not true. I find it very funny that the Attorney General of the Republic at this time is saying that he has kept government documents and he has kept them in email. In another country, he could have been arrested because the principle of how to handle government documents is known.
Murkomen mane loso gi jofwamb weche Mombasa ne okwedo weche mag Muturi makoni ne ogeng'o mibadhi mane jatend piny Kenya William Ruto sunde mondo mi otim ka koro odwani ochwal neno makamago ne duol makedo gi mibadhi e pachoka EACC mar yango adieri ewi wachno.
If today I get an instruction from the government to do something that is wrong, my first responsibility is to advise that that is wrong. If I'm forced to do it and I know this government is doing wrong things, I resign from that government. It is the right thing for someone to do. But you are hanging on a government that is corrupt and you want to serve in that corrupt government to the end. I find that very ridiculous. The other day he walked to DCI. He can also as well work with DCI with evidence. This is the lowest an Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya has ever gone to.
Nibende ukoni weche mag Muturi matudo apisas mag piny owacho gimonj ka achiel kod lal nono apoya gi jopiny moting'o nyaka wuode onge adieri kata matin.
Kwa nini alikwama kwa serikali ambayo ilikuwa inafanyia Wakenya vibaya? Na hii ni kutafutia haki wa Kenya ama anatafutia kijana yake? Na huyu kijana ya Justin Muturi ni ako wapi? Na ni mtu nasikia ni mtu miaka 50. Kwa nini asiongee kama vile watoto ya watu wengine wanaongea?
Komachielo ne odok ne ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja makoro duol mar okinde mapachoka LSK dwani ogwe tao kolero ni onge richo mane otimo kuom yuoro e limbe mane jatend piny Kenya William Ruto timo juma mokalo e Mount Kenya.
Polisi sio kazi ya kukaa kwa Ivory Towers na kukaa Nairobi. Kazi ya polisi ni kukaa kwa jamii na kukua pale penye wananchi wao kwako, asikilize maoni ya wananchi na asaidie kusuluhisha hiyo maneno. Kwa hivyo IG ya polisi kwanza alikuwa kwa mkutano ya rais ambaye ni commander in chief. Hakuwa katika mkutano ya kisiasa. Alikuwa katika mkutano ya maendeleo na alikuwa pale na rais kama vile anaweza kuwa mahali popote na mimi.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.